Presenting the Kent Storm Vacuum Cleaner. A smart, sleek and lightweight vacuum cleaner that simplifies your cleaning work at home and office. It's extremely easy to handle and operate vacuum cleaner that comes with a powerful 600-watt motor. It uses advanced cyclonic technology for strong suction that makes Storm a versatile and ideal vacuum cleaner to clean your carpets, curtains, couches, floor and more. With its multi-attachments, it is also an ideal choice for cleaning your precious car too with super ease. It also has a bagless dust collection chamber and a HEPA-based filter that discharges cleaner air while in use. Give your family a gift of clean and healthy environment with Kent Storm Vacuum Cleaner.